Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to add voiceover in Canva. So the first step is to simply create your design. So I'm going to go on and search for video, and then I'm going to use this template here. And after that, of course, you're going to have the option to add your own templates or create your own design. So I'm going to go and create a blank video. And then what you're going to have to do next is to simply click on uploads, and then here simply go to audio, and then here again you're gonna have to simply click on upload files, and then simply select your voiceover, and then simply click on it, and automatically it's gonna be added to your Canva timeline. So this is how you can basically add a voiceover in Canva. Now if you want to record your own voiceover, what you're gonna have to do is to simply go back and click on share here, and then what you're gonna have to do is to basically view this as a presentation, and then you're gonna have the option to record your own voice and your webcam, and basically you can talk over the video and your design presentation or whatever you are using Canva for. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.